Hello, I saw your question in the email. You test a hypothesis using a p-value approach. So it looks like you got this part. It suggested using technology to find the p-value. I've got StatCrunch open here. You could use the current calculator. The steps are in the book or on the videos. But you click on Stat, go down to Proportion Stats 1 Summary. With a summary. So it's one sample proportion with a summary. And so you're told, your sample is 35, have the characteristic out of 125. So you enter those numbers there. You're told you're given P, population proportion 0.2, and your alternative hypothesis is greater than. So I just extract that straight from here. Then you just click compute, and it'll give you the p-value. So so that's using technology to suggest that you could use the formula from the section also. The formula is the test statistic z is equal to p hat, which you'd have to calculate. Minus the population proportion over the square root of p times 1 minus p over n. So if you want to try doing it by hand instead, p hat would just be x divided by n. P in this case is 0.2, and n, well, that's 125 there. So this give you the z test statistic, then you could look it up in the table, the p-value. Or it's pretty easy if you want to use StatCrunch. Just input the information given here and click compute. Hope that helps.